In today's video, I am going to show you how to make an bed in Minecraft. First, gather some wood for it. Then you should also have a crafting table for it. This is the crafting table. You can make it by gathering some wood. Then collect some wool. You will need 3 wools, any color, but all colors should be the same. Then open the crafting table and then click on the bed, and then your bed is ready. It works as a respawn point for you. Everyone, please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you for watching.